So, y'all mean to tell me this dude, he's on a 3-story building high with no safety ropes type shit, you know what I'm saying? And he busy laughing with his friends, you know what I'm saying? If this nigga falls down right now, bruh, down there, it's over with. Bruh, I'm telling you niggas right now, it's over with. God damn. Man, I'm never risking. You call me whatever you wanna call me. I'm never risking. You give me 10 grand, 20 grand. Oh, hell no. Look, I better be a McDonald's shit type of shit, nigga. What you call it? Shit, Uber driver or something.